Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Dreams DIY. I am Soumya, and in today's video I am going to do a tutorial on how to make this beautiful sea glass mosaic on this wooden plank. So let's start from the very beginning. I got this wooden plank from a thrift store for less than $2. Thrift store is a great place to find items that you can DIY on and make them your own. I'm painting the plank with my white Waverly chalk paint. I will be applying 2 coats and I'll let it dry for some time before I proceed with my project. After the paint dried, I took up my hot glue gun and I pasted this rhinestone string on the wood panel. This rhinestone string I got it from Dollarama on my Canada trip, but this is also available on Amazon, so I have provided you the link to this string. If you want, you can buy the exact same string from Amazon, or if you have anything even prettier than this one, then please go ahead and paste whatever you have. After pasting the rhinestone string at both the sides, I will now be hot gluing this sea glass. I got this sea glass jar from Home Goods. I got it on a very good deal in their clearance section. It was less than $5 and it is a jar full of glasses and seashells, but you will also find it on Amazon. So I am providing you the link in the description box of these seashells. So if you want, you can buy it from Amazon. I'm pasting all the seashells and fitting them wherever they look the best. If you are wondering where would you get a wood plank like this to make your art on, then don't worry, because even if you don't find anything like this in a thrift store, you'll find wood panels at Dollar Tree. So Dollar Tree has started carrying wood panels and you can easily find wood panels there. Or originally this plank is from IKEA, so it had that IKEA label at the back, so that's how I know. So you might want to try IKEA. The reason of painting this wood plank white is because had I not painted it, the original wood color would have popped out from below and the sea glasses wouldn't have looked as vibrant as they are looking right now. The Waverly chalk paint that I used is from Walmart. Now after pasting all the seashells and sea glasses, I am now filling the space with pearls and rhinestones. So I had them in my stash and I'm just pasting pearls and rhinestones wherever I can. If you have pearls or if you have any rhinestones, you can use those, or you can find 4 pearls at Dollar Tree as well. Here I'm just pulling out the hot glue guns, strings that they leave after after we are done pasting. Now this is an additional step. If you are like me and if you like glitter, then just pick up your glue stick, spread a little bit of glue on the sea glasses and then sprinkle glitter over it. You'll find the link to everything I could find in the description box below. See how beautiful this wall hanging turned out to be and how easy it was to make this. If you like the video, please hit like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back with more interesting and innovative crafts. Thank you for watching the video and happy crafting!